Consider an authority.
How do you gain knowledge from someone you consider authority?
Authority.
One, two.
Ulitin.
How do you gain knowledge
Sir, how do you gain knowledge
from someone?
from someone you
Consider.
consider an authority?
First is I usually identify um, who the person would be worthy as a role model for me. So if I see that person uh, doing things that I get to be impressed or admirable, uh, uh, I usually ask questions from that person. I usually emulate any of his actions. Uh, Sometimes, but if I get to hear other phrases, phrases about the person, ayun, I usually emulate. Ganun, ang alam ko ganun eh, when you try to uh, emulate somebody, that means uh, he, he or she or that person is doing something that's very admirable.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you, sir.